Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix no service issue on iPhone in iOS 27. So guys, if you're facing this problem and you're unable to get this service on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that simply open settings on your device and then scroll it below and go to general and then go to about, and from here check if there are any career updates available for you. So guys, if there are any career updates available for you, simply update it, and after this go back, and now you have to go to software update and update your software to the latest version from here as well. So guys, do this, and after this go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. You can go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly as well. Again go back and then go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device as well. Again go back and go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply take out your SIM card from your device for one time and insert the SIM card again on your device as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact your service provider or the Apple Support Center. So guys, you have to simply contact them, and after this hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.